Steps from the heart of Toronto's premier dining, shopping and galleries are the glorious residences of 360 Bloor. 360 epitomizes forest in the city living, offering all the convenience of downtown with the leafy backdrop of the Rosedale Ravine outside your windows. Hi, I'm Rebecca Lang with Remax Hallmark and welcome to Suite 101 at the 360. This two-story corner suite features nearly 1,500 square feet, a reverse floor plan, and stunning ravine views from two terraces, all of which make it truly one of a kind. Entering from the main level is a long foyer with double hall closets and a large bedroom at the end. This room offers seclusion from the rest of the suite, and with its own private terrace and no neighbors above or below, is superbly suited for multi-generational households, the musically inclined, and those working from home. Completing this main level is an updated 4-piece bath with soaker tub. Proceeding up the staircase reveals the main living area. The open concept living and dining rooms are perfect for both entertaining large groups as well as more intimate gatherings. Your eyes are naturally drawn to the wall of floor-to-ceiling windows and full-width terrace just beyond. Whether relaxing inside or out, it's easy to become captivated by the forever views of the valley's changing seasons. Returning inside, you'll find the modernized kitchen is discreetly tucked beside the dining room, making it perfect for chefs who prefer not too many spectators while they cook. Continuing down to the end of the hallway is the spacious principal bedroom, which accommodates king-size bedroom furniture and provides lots of built-in storage with his and hers double closets. Adjacent to the principal bedroom is a second washroom with marble accents and glass shower. Completing the upper level is an oversized laundry room with plenty of added storage. Beyond the suite is a quality building top-notch amenities including 24-hour concierge, luxurious full-size pool, hot tub, steam rooms, squash court, billiards, table tennis, sun-filled library, 2 rooftop patios with barbecues and loungers, and over 40 visitor parking spaces, a true rarity in downtown. Stepping outside, everything you could need is moments away with groceries across the street and a slew of shops, quick eats, and medical and professional services within the block. Walking to the subway takes less than a minute, while Yonge and Bloor and Yorkville can be reached in only 9 minutes by foot. This combination of phenomenal location, neighborhood conveniences, top-tier building amenities, and serene ravine views have drawn a wonderful community of residents to call the 360 home. Suite 101 is a beautiful, unique space that you'll want to see in person, so get in touch with me to find out more.